Plenty of farms look busy and still lose money because margin per tray was never modeled before they ordered more racks, signed a lease, or promised a restaurant a weekly standing order. The profit calculator on Plant Mood is at plantmood.farm. Free, no login. It is where you test economics before you scale. Seeds, substrate, power, labor, equipment, crop choice, and sales channel in your selected currency. You can also download a PDF report of your scenario. Pick a crop from microgreen and hydroponic groups, yield and cycle length pull from the plant database. Choose your currency, then pick a sales channel. Farmers market, supermarket, restaurant, or online. Each channel sets a default sell price and sell-through percentage from real market data. Production scale covers trays per cycle days, and yield grams per unit. Monthly business overhead includes rent, utilities, insurance, and admin hours. Add custom cost lines for anything else: delivery, cold storage, marketing. The hero section shows live KPIs: net profit per cycle, margin percent, annualized net, ROI, and cycles per year. A revenue waterfall walks from revenue through grow costs and capex to overhead to net. 6 KPI cards break out revenue, total cost, net margin, ROI on capex, annual profit, and break-even price. 3 charts visualize the model. A 12-month cumulative cash flow area chart shows when capex is recovered and net starts accumulating. A cost breakdown donut splits seeds, substrate, packaging, nutrients, electricity, labor, and more. A channel comparison bar chart shows price, revenue, profit, and margin across all 4 channels for your crop. Scroll to tune the numbers to edit capex, per tray costs, utilities, and labor. Every chart updates live. The sensitivity grid is a 5 by 5 matrix of yield versus price scenarios. Find your worst case and best case before you sign a lease. Hit download PDF report to export your scenario for a partner, investor, or your own records. Numbers first, expansion second. Profit calculator is free on Plant Mood. Link is in the description.